Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. So this is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Today market had a very good rally to the downside. We don't have any swing stocks for today because I want market to settle down a bit and then we can enter into new stocks. Okay, so if you guys see the level which we were discussing yesterday about 22,130 was breached and it was a good short position. Which had a slowed of 1:7 in 5 minutes time frame. There was a small candle here which we shorted, we hold it till here. Now if you guys see, this is a very good level. Tomorrow my entry, let me be very clear. So if you see, this is a base. Yeah, this is a base in 1 hour in every places you can see. This is a base and this was a resistance turned support. Now this is taking a support here. Okay, so if it breaches anywhere below 21,915 and below, I'll be looking forward to short it, and my target will be at 21,730 or 740, and this trend line should definitely be respected. If it takes any positive sign from here, it's better to exit it off. Okay, next is Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty also the same. It exactly broke on our place, but we got a 15 minutes candle here, which was really good. So now we are in a risk to reward ratio of 1:4. Okay, according to me 1:4 it is, but we still have space. So tomorrow will I be shorting anyway? Just let me just confirm it. So nothing as of now. I'm waiting for it to get filled up. Once it filled up, it's really good. Okay, next is US oil. So US oil has successfully broken its sideway market. Now it has started going up. So we have entered here exactly at $79.30 and 50 point of stop loss. This is in 15 minutes, yeah, and 50 point of stop loss. So we're looking forward for a target of $81.80. Okay, next is gold. Gold on a 1 hour time frame. We entered here yesterday and this low was not broken. It immediately bounced back, so we are at a loss of a small number now, almost 20% loss is totally fine. But if it breaches this level, it has a potential of going till 2051. Okay, then if it breaches above that, then we can enter again at 2066 and we can hold for a target of 2146. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. I don't have any swing trades for now. It's because the market is extremely kind of going on a negative side, so let's wait for our levels to be stable and then we can enter it. If you guys like my content, please like, share and subscribe. Your support will be definitely appreciated. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.